Hello students, I am Hemlata here for biology in the chapter of control and coordination. Today we are discussed to improve. The topic will be हाइड्रोट्रोपिज्म. पेड़ पौधे अपने अंदर कंट्रोल कोऑर्डिनेशन किसकी हेल्प से कर पाते हैं जबकि उनके पास ब्रेन नहीं होता है. एंड इन एनिमल केस ह्यूमन ब्रेन न्यूरॉन विल बी इम्पोर्टेंट and some hormones. In plant case hormone plus tropism topic is important. So today we are going to discuss hydrotropism. Hydro means that water will be there and tropism will be movement, and we can understand that water will act as a stimuli here and movement will be the response. Very easy to understand this. Hydrotropism is the movement or bending of plants parts towards the water. Water is what here, it will be stimuli, and bending of plants part, that will be the tropism or response. How we will understand? For that we can draw the diagram. We can take a pot, and in the pot part we can draw the vegetative parts, and the pot will be what? Pot will be perforated or it contains some minute openings. गमले के अंदर कुछ छेद होने चाहिए, and we will put this in the water. This will clearly explain the hydrotropism. That we will observe that the roots parts, primary, secondary or the hairs, they will bend towards the water. These are the roots. Here is what? Here is the hydro. Hydro means that water, and plants का पानी की तरफ मुड़ना क्या कहला रहा है? हाइड्रोट्रोपिज्म. रूट्स पार्टिकल्स जो हैं पानी की तरफ मूव हो रहे हैं, टर्न कर रहे हैं, दैट विल बी द हाइड्रोट्रोपिज्म. यही डायग्राम आपके दो ट्रोपिज्म को एक्सप्लेन कर सकता है. हियर यू कैन ड्रॉ सनलाइट, देन बेंडिंग ऑफ दिस पार्ट टुवर्ड्स द सनलाइट. दिस इज इंडिकेटिंग व्हाट? This is indicating phototropism, and roots are showing here hydrotropism. So once more quickly we will revise hydrotropism. How can we define? The movements of plants parts towards the water is known as hydrotropism. For that you can draw the diagram. This here will be water and here will be bending of roots. Bending of roots towards the water. This diagram indicating you two tropism. One is hydrotropism and second will be what tropism? That answer you will send me. This single diagram showing you two tropism. This is showing hydrotropism, and upper part, it means shoot, apex or stem part, showing you which tropism, that you will be send me in the comment box. Thank you.